Notice clearly how the mind always seeks to dilute this moment with anticipation. Anticipation of pleasure or anticipation of suffering, of pain. In between these two things, all thinking operates. Just the anticipation of pleasure, anticipation of pain. And this is the habit which does create all suffering. This is the sort of addiction to this anticipation which creates suffering, which makes you resist the contents of this moment, always looking towards some imaginary future, which you also ignore when it becomes your present. And at the root of it all lies the desire for experiencing, the desire of experiences. See how much your life and all the activities in your life revolve around the desire for this experience or that experience, or perhaps the desire to avoid a particular set of experiences. We are in love with experiences, and we also, the other half of experience, we are in resistance to them. We hate the other half. This addiction to experience, you see, is what keeps us hooked in the mental realm. Can you, for a few moments a day, not care at all about experience? See how even when I say that and I suggest that, it brings up so much resistance. Because so far, the entire life has just been about experiencing. It's all been about chasing experiences. That's all that the mind looks forward to, you see? It's like the fuel of the mind. It's like the little, the cake at the end of the road that the mind is always just chasing. Experience, that's all it is. And so as long as you continue to sort of stay in this chase for experiences, you will continue to just dwell here and nothing else will be perceivable. But you're watching these videos like this, you want to go sort of deeper in your meditation, you want to sort of know yourself beyond mind. What is required of you is to detach from the mind's addiction to experience. Just for a few moments a day, can you no longer care to chase or avoid any experience? Because it is through those moments that you will sort of awaken to what is beyond experiencing in just merely transient, momentary flashes of content of the mind. Only when we sort of let go of our addiction to the lesser can we wake up to that which is greater, more real, in essence. And this is what all the masters of the past, suggest when they say, relinquish your attachment to your desire. You see, desire is already there. Let the desire be there. No longer feel compelled to satisfy the desire. No longer feel compelled to chase and attach yourself to the object of your desire. Rather, rest as you are. Let the desire be. You yourself let go of your addiction to experience. Here and now, in this moment, right? Care not for what your experience is, no matter if it's good or bad. No matter if it's pleasant or unpleasant, no matter if it's what you want versus what you do not want. Just no longer care for what the content of mind is and the content of experience is. Here and now, want nothing from your mind or your body. Want nothing of anybody else. Want nothing of the world. Here and now, be as you are. Silent, empty, free, spacious, all allowing, being, conscious, happy, at peace. Don't bring anything into the here-ness, into the now-ness that is not essential to it. Therefore, don't bring anything. Just be. Regardless of what the experience may be, I am. I am, therefore the experience can be this and that. I am the center of observation, the center of my world. Therefore, let me sort of actually stay centered in what is real rather than what appears to be momentarily, what is transient, what comes and goes. And rather than identifying myself with the movement of mind which sort of is addicted to the transient experiences. This is the intelligence beyond mind that rests in beingness rather than thinkingness and being this or that. And it all starts with you being here as you are, not chasing this or avoiding that, not trying to become something or a somebody or achieving this or that, just no longer being concerned with the unfoldment of experience. That is what creates restlessness versus sort of stepping outside of this chase, even for a few moments a day, is what will reveal to you the peace which you have been chasing through those experiences. Peace does not lie in experience. Experience by nature is temporary and changeful. Peace, even though experience promises peace, it does not lie in experience. You don't even need a lot of experience with this teaching. You don't need a lot of experience going through this sort of process to be at peace. Your peace is here and now, but it resides outside of your restlessness. Your restlessness is what disturbs peace. And at the core, at the root of your restlessness is your addiction to experiences and experiencing. So even the addiction, do nothing about. Even the addiction, have no desire to be rid of it. Simply allow it to be, but you be here as you are. You see, the mind is what is addicted. You be here as you are. The watcher of mind even, wanting nothing from it. And feeling no need to, no compulsion to satisfy its wants from the world. Letting the world and the mind be as they are, and letting yourself be as you are, as you always are. Just for a few moments a day. Don't say it's not possible. Don't raise up all these objections before you even give it a go. See for yourself and allow it to unfold. Don't desire anything from it either, from the practice either. You see how subtle this is? Don't do this as a means to an end for some more peaceful experience. You see? Mind is very cunning in this way, very subtle in this way. It'll keep you in these traps. Just here and now, want nothing. Be nothing, do nothing. Just be as you are. To be as you are, you don't need to stop activity. You don't need to make the world stop. All these things will continue to go and flow as they always do. But you, I'm speaking to you, not mind. Be as you are. Thanks for watching this video. Just two things before you go. If you want to learn how to implement the teaching that we cover on this channel in a step-by-step format and really develop your understanding of it in a faster way, make sure to watch my free 1-hour class that I'm offering right now. And second, if you want to work with me personally to help you dissolve mind identification and return to peace through self-inquiry, check out my program down below. It's called the Higher Consciousness Shift. Enrollments are now open, so just check out the details and book your free call, and we'll see if it's right for you. That's all I have for you today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.